Ever find yourself stuck in a loop of negative thinking that feels impossible to break? You know the kind, that constant inner dialogue that leaves you feeling overwhelmed, defeated, or even stressed. What if I told you there's a simple way to change that and reclaim your peace? In today's video, we're diving into the power of reframing negative thoughts, one of the most effective ways to reduce stress and improve your mental health. Let's get started. We all experience negative thoughts from time to time, but when these thoughts become habitual or repetitive, they can take a toll on our well-being. Reframing is a powerful cognitive technique that can help you to shift from a negative perspective to a more balanced and realistic one. Here's how it works. Reframing is the process of changing how we view a situation by looking at it from a different perspective. It's not about denying or ignoring the facts, but about shifting the narrative so that you can see things from a more constructive, less stressful light. Here's why reframing helps. The human brain is wired to focus on threats or challenges. This is part of our evolutionary survival instinct. However, in modern times, this can result in unnecessary stress, especially when we perceive everyday situations as negative or overwhelming. By reframing those thoughts, we can reduce anxiety and regain a sense of control. Here are some common negative thinking patterns to reframe. Catastrophizing. This is when we see a situation as far worse than it actually is. An example would be if you think to yourself, if I fail this project, it will be the end of my career or even the end of my life. Overgeneralizing is another negative thinking pattern. This is when we make broad conclusions based on one incident. An example would sound something like this: I always mess up, I never get it right. Negative filtering is another one. This is when we focus only on the negative aspects of a situation. An example would be, I did well on the test, but I made one mistake and it ruined everything. Now that you understand the power of reframing, here are a few strategies to help you to get started. The first step is awareness. When you catch yourself having negative thoughts, take a step back and label them as such. This is where the shift begins, recognizing that your thoughts don't define you. You can also ask yourself, is this thought true? Is it based on facts or assumptions? Is it actually helping me? When you start challenging negative thoughts with these questions, you begin to create space for more balanced thinking. Once you've challenged the negative thought, reframe it into something more constructive. For example, the negative thought, I'm terrible at this, can be reframed to, I'm still learning and I can improve with practice. You can also use cognitive behavioral tools, such as journaling. Journaling and thought records are great tools for reframing negative thoughts. Write down your negative thoughts and then intentionally reframe them. Over time, this practice will help you adopt a more positive and realistic mindset. So here's the thing, reframing your negative thoughts may feel challenging at first, but with practice, it can become a powerful tool for managing stress and improving your mental health. By shifting your perspective, you'll be better equipped to face life challenges with calm and resilience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what negative thoughts you've successfully reframed. And remember, if you're looking for more practical strategies to stress less, check out my book, Stress Less or Die. It goes into cognitive techniques on a deeper level, and it also gives you more stress management strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.